I have here is, to me, it's pretty cool. It's awesome. Best lock. Came with 3 keys, 2 operating keys, and 1 control key. If I can get the key in. That's the control key right there. Uh-oh. There it goes. Okay. And 2 operating keys. If I can get the damn key in. Works beautifully. That was a little hard to see. It's a little sticky for some reason. There's the key on this. I am going to try to lift this camera up just a hair. And now we're going to try to pick this bad boy. Okie dokie. Let's see if we can pick this thing. And I guess when I say we, I mean me. Something dropped down towards the bottom. Had a couple other nice best padlocks. This had operating keys, they didn't have control keys. Actually, it was 2 locks, 4 keys, and they were all keyed the same. But I didn't have the operating keys, or the control keys. But I did manage to pick, I could pick them both through control and or open, but whatever it opened, I mean, that's the way it did. I couldn't do either one intentionally. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Guess we're not gutting it. But there it is. That's just a beautiful lock. Now I love it. But the 2 I had, one went to Murloc, I believe, and one went to Doug Pick's Lock, I think the other one went to. Anyway, there it is. It's a nice, beautiful best lock. Everybody, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful. Keep your picks where they belong, and keep on picking.